So hi guys, I'm Akshay. So firstly, thanks a lot to all individuals for showing your support for Startup India's journey. And I really appreciate all individuals for trusting us and being a part of our betaAudience community. Thanks a lot, guys. Before discussing about our project, I just enlighten you who are this betaAudience and what is this Startup India is all about. So betaAudience are nothing, guys. Okay, these are the group of people. So these people will be having a exclusive access to our Startup India platform. So betaAudience are very important for Startup India team, guys. Okay, so these are like a partners to us. So their importance, their words, their opinion matters a lot to us, and we take their suggestion, their feedback very seriously. Okay, so these are exclusive. Whatever we do on the Startup India, whatever new features comes on the Startup India, these betaAudience will be having first access before it goes to the public. What is Startup India platform is all about? It's a AI integrated platform which provides a ecosystem for founders, freelancers, space providers, and also for the investors. So I just enlighten you by giving a small example. Okay, let us assume that Krishna have an idea, edutech idea, and he is from a rural area of some part of India or Karnataka. Okay, so he will check that whether his idea is workful in Bengaluru or not. Okay, so what he does is he'll come to the Startup India and he will give the location where he want to test whether his idea gonna work in that region or not. And in the backend, AI will scan that region and it will give the analyze a prediction. Okay, each analyze will cost us, guys. Okay, each analyze, each when a individual click on that analyze button, right, in the backend, it gonna cost Startup India team. But we are ready to take that cost because in the name of a gratitude we show to the betaAudience people because they are helping us in the initial journey of Startup India, and we are doing this for them in the name of gratitude. He will go to our website. He will give the Bengaluru as a region, category has edutech, and if it is idea is in the beginning stage, whether it is in the MVP model, whether it is in the intermediate level, whether it is in the expert level, all these four parameters we have given. So he will be choosing MVP model. It's in the initial stage still. So after that, the location, whether he need a office of big office, whether it is a small office, so all the investment details he will be giving in the parameters. When he click on this analyze button, okay, so in the backend, what our AI does is it will scan the Bengaluru region. Uh, it will scan the Bengaluru region. It will give the prediction. It will give the report. It will give the score. What is the percent of risk if you open this, company in this region? So the risk metrics will be showcased, and after that, the competition risk it will be showcased. All the competitors in that region. Let us assume that in the edutech we have like 20 to 25 competitor list. All the list will be showcased on the platform. Everything A to Z report. Okay, before playing the game, understanding the opponent mindset matters a lot. In the same way, opening a business in a specific region, understanding the surrounding competitors matters a lot. Okay, adding to that, the density, the population matters a lot. This is what the analysis it does. And just to cover the queries, there are many features we have showcased in that report. All the features are freely accessible for the betaAudience community. So additional to that, on the Startup India platform, our founders can see the list of all the investors present in that region. The same way, a founder can see all the freelancers present in that region. In the same way, a founder, if you want to open an office, he can see the space provider, the real estate agent, the space provider details in that region. So all the connection, the connecting dot process we have taken care, only focus is connecting the people for their connection. So that's where Startup India comes into existence. That's what we have built. That's what we are trying to improve with the help of betaAudience people. So this is all about our Startup India and betaAudience community. Thank you.